Hi there, welcome back to the next video. In this video, this is the final part of the suspension upgrade. This is the front Struts Bilstein B6s with MAN reinforced springs. So we're going to get these fitted. What I've done in this one though, I've changed everything, like the top plate, the bearings, the rubbers, the bump stops, everything's been changed. Got new bolts to go on. So let's get it fitted. Hi, my name's Jason, this is my daughter Noah, and together we're going to transform this VW Crafter into the ultimate camper van. Like, subscribe and follow us on your journey. So it's a 17mm for the bolts. And 19mm for my locking nut. And that's it. So we'll just get this jacked up now. That'll do it. So we'll just get this wheel removed now. That's it. I've got a wee drop penetrating oil here to go in. Just put a bit of cardboard down just to collect any of the oil dripping down. Terminal bolts to take out here. And then what we'll do is we'll just bring this down just so we could 3 nuts to slotting here, 16mm. Oh yeah. That's it. So we've got to remove this linkage, 21mm. So we'll slacken that, and now get a 21mm ring spanner on this. It's a D45. Hold that. Oh yeah, it's tight. That's it. Good. So now I'm just going to get the other jack just to take the weight now while I slacken these other bolts. So hopefully if these bolts do come out, slide out, that'll be good, but if they don't, I can just knock them out because I've got new ones to go in anyway. So oh, that's still tight. That's it. It's not too bad. So slide that out. Just remove the brake cables here. That's them off. So I'm just going to get a wee punch. Right, I'm going to take the weight of this. I've got my dad, he's taking the 3 nuts out, so whenever he takes that last one, we'll get hopefully this pulled to the side and out.
You ready?
Yes, take them out.
1, 2, 3. That's it.
Right. So, what I might have to do here, watch this wire. Just squeeze it past here. And that's it. Right, let's get it in place here.
Okay, hit it there.
Yeah, be quick, save it. Get them on.
No.
Right, you take a break.
Yeah, man. Okay, keep going up. They're all in place. Keep pushing up.
Right, I'll just tighten it out of that. Right, so that's that there. Right, just spray the bolts here. Get that fade in. That's it. Get a new nuts one. Right, strut with the end. Give that a wee spray. So you chart this up now for this. one. That's that one in. And that's that one in. So 21 for this. Tighten up to just get this tightened right up. That's that one. Now for their two. Right, just to tighten their two bolts now. These are 21 also. Let's just get one wee tighten up with the power bar. That's that done. So, passenger side done. Driver side done. So, I'm going to take it now for a test drive, and then it's booked in to get the wheel alignment done, because I need to get the front assist fixed, calibrated for Volkswagen, so I need to get all this done first. So, that's next. So that's me had the van running for about a week now. Suspension wise, brilliant, can't fault it. It's solid on the road, there's no movement, so I highly recommend it. I've had the wheel alignment done, that was no problem. Front assist, took it to Volkswagen, £449, and they can't guarantee that the warning light won't come back on again. So for now, I'm just going to switch it off every time I get in the van. So that's really it. So if you've enjoyed the video, why not like it, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.